Oh, hello, hello. Vegan Mama Me here. Let me push it back just a little bit and try to get my head. Yeah, I guess that's somewhat better. Hard to get everything in the picture that you want to get in. So how are you guys today? How is everyone? I hope you're doing well. Let's start this off by saying I'm having sandwiches tonight. The reason why is I really wanted to try this new deli lunch meat that I got. I'm going to show you what it is. This is the tofuti, and it's the turkey. And this is the deli slices, the field roast. And it says lentil sage. And it's this is seasoned with fresh garlic, zesty lemon juice, rubbed sage and fine herbs. Anyway, that's what we're going to have. Never tried any of these things before, and I'm really curious. And I don't normally eat 2 sandwiches, but I wanted to try both lunch meats, and I don't know, I didn't really want to do half on each, so I said just do 2. I eat them. If not, I'll put it in the refrigerator and save it till tomorrow. All right, we're going to start with some veganese. If you guys haven't had that, please give it a try. It's excellent, really, really good. I'm not going to put too much mayonnaise because I have so many things I'm putting on here. When I make a sandwich, I make a sandwich. I don't know about you guys, but I like everything on it. And I toast my rolls. If you watch me, any of my videos, you know everything for me must be crispy. All right. I have this here. All my sides that I'm putting on. I didn't bring myself a fork. Oh well, I'll have to do it with my fingers. God gave me fingers, so I might as well use them, correct? It's correct. Actually, I think before I put any of that on, I'm going to put a little relish. And this is my Bubba relish. Really good. I'm going to let you guys see it. If you ever see it, pick it up. Really, really good. It's all natural. Kosher dill relish. All natural. No sugar, vinegar, or preservatives. Yeah, really nice. So I've been putting that on just about any kind of sandwich that I've been eating. Okay. Now that's that. I even got avocado to put on here. I had that avocado sitting there. I couldn't resist it any longer. I'm sorry, guys. I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and use this tonight. So that's what I did. All right. Gosh, I'm really using my fingers tonight. But we're keeping it real, right? This is exactly how you do it. So I want to keep it real 100%. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. Ooh. Ooh. All right, a little bit of lettuce. A little bit of lettuce here. A few tomatoes. I'm using the little tomatoes. You know why? Because I think it's, let's say this, winter time. Summertime you can get really good tomatoes. Summertime, I think, wintertime I gotta go more for the smaller ones because they're so much sweeter. So yeah. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of onion, not too much. I'm not going to overpower it with onion. So I'll put a little bit of onion, and this is the sweet onion. All right, get rid of that. Okay, now for the good stuff. What I have here is chow. And this is the tomato cayenne. I haven't tried this one, so I can smell the cayenne 100%. For me, my favorite cheese is chow. It's definitely the best. The Daiya cheese for like mozzarella and stuff, it's not bad. It's really not bad. But the chow for having a sandwich is this. All right, now I already opened them because, you know, they were pretty well sealed up, so I didn't want to bring them in here and struggle. So I said, let me get it opened and not have too much of a problem with this. And this is, the smell is, I'm gonna get brave and taste it. Yeah. On its own, I'm not going to say too much about it. I mean, it's just okay. It's really just okay. This looks like bologna. But we'll try it. And I always like to try it by itself. Because as you say, I have so many things on the sandwich. Yeah, I think the tofudi's winning this. Yeah. Yeah, sure do. All right, well, let's not give up that fast. We gotta eat it and figure it out from there. I like to show you guys my fishies, and then of course I have my Zevia Coke. This is the best. I mean, for me, I don't really drink soda, but I've been drinking it because it's so natural. No sugar, no artificial sweeteners. It's now clear, no GMOs, no caramel color, sweetened with stevia. So, yeah. And it tastes good. There we go. And you guys know why I don't have ice if you've seen my videos. Watch my little fishy swim. Ooh. The reason I don't put ice is because it waters down my soda, and I don't like that. And I have to take my cup down, because if I don't, my camera cannot get into focus. Why? I don't know. But anyway. Excuse me just a minute. I'm sorry. Hello? Yeah. No, but let me go. I'm right in the middle of my mukbang. All right, bye. All right, so that was my daughter, Tiffany. Yeah, I'm messing it all up. See, you get thrown off, right? Darn. Darn. Oh, well, what are you gonna do? Okay, that's that. And make sure I put my right. Okay, we're good to go. So for this, I'm gonna cut it in half. All right. And cut the other one in half. I messed it up, but it'll be okay, I'm sure. Get back in there. Meat's trying to come out. Come on, guys. All right. So, I'm also going to have, you guys know what these are, I'm sure. These are the pop chips, and they're the potato ones. Never fried, always real, unbelievably unfried. Okay. These are good, really. There's a way to open these, not. Everybody tries to pull them apart and it doesn't work. You gotta tear it. These are excellent. Have you tried these? Try one, go on. Really, really good. All right, let's get into this, okay? Going to start with the turkey. Go ahead, guys, share in. Let me know what you think of it. Come on. Well, the one thing I can tell you is Valentina, my hot sauce. The cheese is not hot. It's really not spicy at all. But it's very, the sandwich is very, very good. Very enjoyable. Mmm. Mmm. No kidding, guys. This is really good. That. Nice. Mmm. Definitely would buy the turkey again. The tofutti. 100%. Mm-hmm. It's like having a sandwich. Mmm. So nice. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. How can you talk when it's so good? I'm not kidding you, it's really good. I'm loving it. Mm. All right, now. We're not waiting too long in between. We're gonna just go right for it. Okay. Nice, right? Very nice. Mmm. I get it. This meat is like a salami. Mm-hmm. I get it. And it's good. What I can definitely tell you is not better than the turkey. But it's not bad. No. Mm-mm. Not at all, guys. Mmm. Mmm. So I guess if you were a salami eater, This is the one. More of a turkey eater? This is, that's the one. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. This video's going by so quick, and I don't want to go too long. Mmm. Very nice. Mm-hmm. Hmm. So sorry I didn't get to talk much, but how can you talk when you're filling your face with all this lovely food? Mmm. I don't have too many really good sandwiches like this, you know, being vegan. Now that I got turned on to all these things. Wow. For sure. Mm. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to save this till tomorrow. I used 2 bottoms and 2 tops, but when I figured it out, there was nothing I could do. I already put my stuff on it. So, whatever. Still work the same way, right? Hmm. I didn't even get a drink of my soda. So anyway, my video's running out. Subscribe, like, comment. Mwah!